Hello everyone. My my name is Ramanjot Singh, and now today we are discussing about our topic, which one is related to the A4A, academic for academics. The first topic is copyright protection of information produced by the academic for academics. So yes, I agree with the definition of the privacy given by the Akash, and according to my opinion, privacy means protecting data from intruders, like to save the data from to breaching from unauthorized access. So we can use many kind of things like many kind of encryption, decryption. Like we can use passwords, authentication level schemes. So that's why we can save our data. So further, I suggest having this type of policies as we can learn from Moodle. Like in our university, they are specially providing a policy for their data, and in the Moodle we can see that it's required to have a privacy to use users data, and only authorized user can use the data and access their information. So in the so further, there are forces of nature can be harm to the data, like earthquake and other kind of disasters. There is one of the disaster that can be occur, uh, like storm and tsunami, but we can save our data from them by shifting our data to another location, and also by providing proper maintenance to data. So furthermore, uh, furthermore, the value of the information is one of the most important part of the organization. As I understand from the case study, information infosec planning is the required for the value of the information. So they both are related to each other, as I understand from the example given by the Akash, and from my point of view, A4A need tight security and other secure method because they have a very sensitive data in their servers. So if they're losing any security, they have mere high risk to lose the data, as well as it also affect on their customer service. So the other subtopic that I am discussing, technological obsolescence, and as per my perception, technological means the service or product is available in the organization but no longer used because of the changes in the technology. As per the A4A, it may occur anytime when introducing new technology. So management need to up to date with the technology and needs proper planning and action to overcome this situation. So I'm giving link in between my file about, as per my views, intellectual property that belongs to someone else and has a full copyrights, like websites, products, and the other stuff is given in the full rights to the original creator to take advantage of these creations. So my next topic is about ethics in information security. In week 4, there is a topic about ethics in information security. As I understand from the topic and answer given by Hani, I would like to say that ethics and principles are the equal for the both are very relevant for the human beings, because where laws are made to make some kind of rules and regulation in which the person can work, follow the rules, or ethics are mean to the principles that are working as a guide or path make for the society and the person to create the choose right or wrong. So also member of A4A should have a transparency. Also organization also take care of their employees will with the illness and abuse problems. For an example, small business owners should treat their employees wisely and give full respect and make equal chance for performance and conduct seminars to encourage their employees. Yes, I think culture may affect on the performance of the employee as well, because in some countries culture gives full freedom to their employees. So as I'm thinking about the culture of the Singapore, but both culture are similar, but the main difference is Singapore is much more expensive than the Sydney. So it will be so Sydney would be the suitable A for the A4A. Adding more point to my discussion, Singapore is better quality of service and which will help to the organization to expand their business because it's more centrally controlled and monitored. But in some aspects, Sydney is bit faster than the Singapore. For example, Australian company to opening an account in Singapore, it will take a 1 week to open an account. So furthermore, in the week 5, I have a topic about the responsibility of the using the information ethically. So the task is about the task is about as well as chance of the someone have any reason for the use of the information for unethically. So therefore we need to discuss in the detail who will be the responsible for doing that. For yes, yes, honey, I think employee of the organization is responsible for that because the organization member are professional and professionally are under the umbrella of the code of professional conduct. For an example, ASC Code of Professional Conduct key aspects like honesty and the professionalism is the code are also covered in the similar codes for the other professions. According to these aspects, employees should be honest and understand the policy of the organization because they cannot use their access of their information in unethically way, or they cannot share the private information with the other engineers should follow their codes of their association. So if they are not working according to the profession and the policies of their codes of the ASC, then they are responsible for that one. Thank you.